This screencast is going to show you what to do once you've created your recordings in Zoom and need to figure out how to make them available to your students in Moodle. What I'm going to do is go through the steps of adding them to a voice thread and then sharing it with your course. This video is going to build on the two quick start videos which already address some of the fundamentals for getting your Moodle site set up for you and your students to use VoiceThread. So to get started, let's go to Moodle. I'm going to start by going to the VoiceThread Home link that I created before. Again, this was covered in the first part of the quick start video, but this brings you to the place where you can create a voice thread. So I'm going to click on that link, and then I'm going to click Create. Now all I need to do is locate those Zoom recordings, which will be MP4 files. The easiest way to do that is to open them in a Finder or Explorer window, select them, drag and drop. And while they upload and process, you can give this a title. And the files will process in the background. The next step is to share your voice thread containing these recordings with your class. There are different ways to share. I think this is the easiest way, so I'm going to show it to you now. Go back to VoiceThread Home, open up the sidebar on the left-hand side by clicking on the button in the left center. Click on Courses, you'll see the name of your Moodle course. Locate the name of your voice thread. This is the one I just created right here. And all I need to do is click, drag, and select the level of permissions that I want my students to have. I'm going to select the copy and share this voice thread option so that I maintain a fresh copy for future uses. I'm just going to rename this. I'm going to use the defaults of view and comment as opposed to view only or view, comment, and edit. And then I'm going to click copy and share. Now when I click on my Moodle site, the new voice thread I created shows up. And that is it. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, please get in touch with us.